Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best leather restorer you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best leather restorer in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Leather Honey Leather Conditioner. Leather Honey penetrates deeply to protect new leather while also rejuvenating dry and aged leather. There are no silicones, solvents, or animal ingredients in this non-toxic leather conditioner. It is not sticky and has no odor. With our water-repellent solution, you can protect your leather against snow and rain all year round. Soften leather furniture, moisturize leather automobile interiors, and increase flexibility in leather belts and shoes. Upholstery, truck seats, motorbike leather, boots, gloves, handbags, coats, saddles and tack all benefit from this product. This product should not be used on suede, faux leather, or vinyl. Use a quarter-size drop of Leather Honey conditioner on a Leather Honey lint-free applicator cloth to apply. Spot test in a discreet area and allow to dry. Then apply a thin, equal layer of conditioner to your leather. Use the product at room temperature or slightly heated before using. For details, let's watch more. Our second best leather restorer is Startso World Leather Restorer. This leather recoloring balm was made by a professional color repair company and can be brushed on absorbent leather. The perfect coloring feature can mend cracks, scuffs, and scratches on leather as well as modify the color of the leather. After brush dyeing, leave it to dry naturally for 10 to 20 minutes or use a hair dryer for 1 to 2 minutes. To keep your leather products in perfect condition, supple texture, and stain-free surface, the Leather Dye Set Pack Repair Kit should include a leather repair cream. Meanwhile, it retains the long-lasting coloring impact, does not fade easily, and is not sticky. The large package 8 ounces uses a unique design to ensure that the entire product is transported to you. The Leather Dye Set box includes a complimentary beginner tool package that includes 3 sponges, 1 spoon, 1 brush pen, and 1 pair of rubber gloves. This dark brown leather repair kit can be used on a number of leather and vinyl goods. This leather restorative balm is ideal for protecting your sofa, furniture, couches, and car upholstery, office chair, wallets, shoes and boots, tool pouches, saddles, purses, belts and jackets, armrests and gloves. This black leather repair cream performs an excellent job of protecting and restoring your vinyl items. You may now have cleaner and blemish-free leather seats and furniture without having to worry about scratches or cracks. You will confident you'll like using this recoloring balm in your leather projects with free delivery, but if you're not completely happy, you will give you a full refund or a free replacement. For details, let's watch more. Third pick in our list is Leather Hero Leather Color Restorer. This leather color restorer is great for restoring and bringing your leather back to life. It recolors, restores, revives, and repairs light scratches on all smooth leather and vinyl goods. This leather finish color is pliable and won't crack. Super simple to use and excellent for repairing leather chairs, sofas, furniture, faux furniture, vinyl, leather coats, jackets, belts, boots, shoes, car seats, ottomans, and other items. This set comes with a 4 ounces color restorer and 1 applicator. This is enough to fix a bag, wallet, small ottoman, and small chair. You can either touch up or refinish the entire item. This leather color restorer is very simple to use and non-toxic. There is no need to be concerned about dangerous chemicals. If it gets on your hands, simply wash them with soap and water. Simply clean the leather, apply with an applicator, allow to dry, then finish with our top coat for longer lasting effects. See our many kits below. This leather repair kit includes clear and easy to understand step-by-step instructions. There is also a video showing you how to do it. This kit can disguise defects, wear, and light scratches on furniture as well as all leather and vinyl products. Number 4 in our side is Dritchel's Black Leather Restorer. This leather dye allows for quick and simple DIY repairs. In one application, it repairs damaged leather, scratches, fading, normal wear and tear, peeling, and pet marks. It dries quickly, is waterproof, and will not rub off. And there's no unpleasant odor. If you are looking for a leather steering wheel repair kit to assist you recover your car seat, steering wheel, sofa, shoes, boots, handbags, office chairs, wallets, belts, and coats, then this product is for you. Leather and vinyl vehicle seats, steering wheels, sofas, shoes, boots, handbags, office chairs, wallets, belts, coats, and other smooth leather products are all ideal. Black leather polish contains natural oils that can permeate the pores of your leather and make it shine and look new. Simply apply it to leather and wait a few seconds. Ideal for reviving faded and scratched leather. It's super simple to use and may be used to restore leather sofas, leather upholstery, or any genuine or faux leather product. Dritchel's leather recoloring dye is ideal for recovering damaged leather because it dries rapidly, is waterproof, will not rub off, and has no unpleasant odor. This kit's black leather polish contains natural oils that infiltrate the pores of your leather, making it look bright and new. Furthermore, our leather color restorer kit is great for restoring color to faded and worn leather. Last in our best leather restorer list is Furniture Clinic Original Leather Restorer. The leather recoloring balm from Furniture Clinic is great for restoring color to worn and scratched leather. With 16 color options, it's simple to get the right color for repairing leather couches, leather upholstery, or any genuine leather product. This formula is proven by decades of experience and comes in a larger size 8.5 ounces. The leather recoloring balm is a multi-purpose solution that may be used to restore the color of leather couches and other leather products. From scratched vehicle seats to faded handbags, the balm has a wide range of applications and can be used as an alternative to a leather repair kit. This clients use the solution to restore color to faded sofas, to repair small cat scratches on antique automobile seats, and to conceal minor peeling on leather coats. The Good Housekeeping Institute reviewed this product, and following rigorous testing by their professional scientists and engineers, it was awarded the renowned Good Housekeeping seal. The product's effectiveness, as well as its packaging and marketing promises, are all evaluated.